In this tutorial, let us learn how to separate numbers from text in Excel. This is a very common data cleaning task that you would be facing while using the Excel. Consider this example now and let us try to separate numbers from text when the number is at the end of text. In column D, we will be extracting the text and in the column E, the number. Here, I would be using an array formula, so kindly observe carefully. In cell D3, I enter the formula as equal to find, open the bracket, open the flower bracket, type 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and type till 9 and close the flower bracket, comma C3. Now close the bracket. So here you are finding the digits in the cell from the cell C3. Okay. Once you're done with typing of this find formula, cover this formula on left by if error, open the bracket, and on the right side type comma, 100 commas and close the bracket. So what you're doing here is that you are avoiding the errors. Okay. Now cover this on left by min function. Okay. Min, open the bracket, and to the right side close the bracket. And finally enter left on the left side of the string, open the bracket, C3, comma, and leave the formula as it is and go towards the right side and type -1 and close the bracket. Now you're done with the formula. Now press Shift plus Control plus Enter as this is an array formula. Now you can see the name as Durga, which is completely in the text format. Okay. Once this is done, it is very easy to fetch the number in the column E. I type the formula in cell E3 as equal to substitute, open the bracket, C3, comma, D3, comma, give inverted quotes and close the bracket and press enter. You will see the result as a number. Got it, friends? Now just drag the formula in this both columns C and D till the bottom of the table to see the results like this as designed. Got it? So friends, this is how one can separate numbers from text string in Excel. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please do give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe.